Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of DREADLOCK. I'm Untitled Chapter, and today I'm going to show you guys 3 easy hairstyles you can do without using any hair ties. So if you're out in public or you're out somewhere or you just don't have any hair ties, these are 3 easy hairstyles for you by me. So before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to go check out all the great merch. But besides that, let's jump into hairstyle number 1. Before we get into this video, obviously you guys can probably see all this like frizzy hair up here. It's because I'm in the process of combing up my dreads and I don't feel necessary to actually do a retwist or anything. So that's kind of where we're at. This first hairstyle is probably the easiest one out of them all. I'm going to show you guys what I do. I separate my hair all the way down the middle. So I part it in half and I just run my fingers through it to make sure that all the hairs are pointing down. I'm actually going to leave this braid out. This is a braid that I combed out recently. But I'm going to start out by grabbing a few dreadlocks from each side and then switching them over like that. Grab a few more, make sure it's even, and then do the same thing. You always want the new dreads to overlap the ones that you did last. But I'm basically grabbing dreadlocks that are on the side of my head so that it holds down all the dreads that are on top of my head. This almost turns out like a mohawk, like at the end you guys will notice. Literally almost done. This is a quick and easy hairstyle. Like literally if you can run into a bathroom and then do your hair really quick, this is a great hairstyle for that. Even you could do this without a mirror, it's just gonna be a little tough. All these hairstyles can be done without a mirror, but if you have access to a mirror, it is easier. I'm actually looking at a mirror right now. But as you guys can see, this hairstyle is already coming together. All you're doing is literally wrapping your hair on top and every single tie is tying down the last tie. You can keep going as far as you want. You can go as short as you would like. And then once you get to the end, I'm gonna show you guys a side view. Grab 2 dreadlocks from each side that are long enough to go to the top. Once you got those, go ahead and go to the top and then tie it off. Make sure everything's packed in. In this case, I'm just rocking the braid down just because it doesn't want to go back sometimes. I'm actually just gonna let this hang on the side. You never see this before. I feel like a Jedi or something. Really simple hairstyle. It only took me about a minute. If I wasn't explaining it, could have done it in 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and break this one down and then we'll move on to the next hairstyle. All right, so this next hairstyle can be a little bit tricky, but it's actually pretty easy once you get it down. You're gonna grab all of your hair. The easiest way for me to do a ponytail or anything of that sort, if I'm doing a bun or anything that involves my whole hair, I always throw my hair forward so that I can grab it all easier because I can access it all right here. I always just grab my hair like this and push it back as far as I would like to. I literally pull up a pony like this. So the question comes, how am I gonna tie this off if I don't have a hair tie? It's very simple. There are many ways to actually do this. The simplest way that I found was easy is if you go to the back of your head and you grab a dreadlock from each side. So grab one from the right side and then grab one from the left side. Now you want to keep hanging on to the ponytail, but you want those 2 dreadlocks to be hanging on each side. You see how I got 2 of these out right here? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the dreadlock that I just pulled out and then wrap it around the front of my dread. Switch hands and then push it back to the back of the dread. Grab this one, wrap it around the front, grab it again, switch hands and then go to the other side. And then now that you have both of those hairs ready, they're both on the back right here. You're just gonna tie it off. There you go. You got just a basic ponytail with no hair tie. Oh, I'm rocking this one right now. It almost gives you the illusion that your dreads are shorter. But you can also do a bun without a hair tie as well. It's the same process, it's just one more step in the middle. So you pull all your hair up. Before you form your bun, make sure that you grab 2 dreadlocks from the back. And then now you wanna form your bun. I'm gonna fold it, so I folded it up. And then same process now. Put it in front. Push to the back and then grab the other one, the front to the back, and then you tie it off in the back just like we did before. And so like that. So you can literally create yourself a bun by using no hair ties. Once you get to the bun, like I don't really like a uniform bun. I like more of a bun that's all over the place kind of. So you can go in and mess with it. Let's go ahead and pull this braid out. Oh shoot, in the building. That's hairstyle number 2. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this one down and then we're gonna move on to hairstyle number 3. There you go. There you go. Hairstyle number 3, everybody. All right, y'all, this is the big one. This one, I'm not gonna lie, was tough for me to do, but it was an accomplishment that I've always wanted to do. A YouTuber by the name of Fun for Louie always does this hairstyle. Like if you see him, he's typically has this hairstyle in, but it's basically a big tie of your whole set of dreads. I do feel like this is an easier hairstyle with longer hair, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So all I'm doing is I'm parting the hair down the middle, center right here, pulling the hair to the back, and I'm gonna like twist the hair a little bit. So now that all these dreads are kind of twisted just like that, I'm gonna grab these dreads over here. You want these to be twisted as well. So I'm gonna turn backwards and you can see how I'm just kind of twisting them as best as I can so that it narrows them out. Now you got two of these right here. I'm going under with this set of dreads. It's literally like tying a shoe. You cross them over and then you pull one of the sets of dreads through that loop. And there you have it. Really simple hairstyle. And that's basically that hairstyle right there, y'all. Some of the dreads didn't make it in, but hey, I think that kind of adds to the hairstyle. And the thing about hairstyles like this that don't involve hair ties or clips or anything like that is that they're almost unique every time you set them up. But you guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. If these are new hairstyles that you've never tried before, make sure to comment down below which one you want to try out. And also comment down below which one you think was your favorite. 1, 2, or 3. I think 3 is my favorite because it was kind of tough to do, but hey, we made it happen. But hey, you guys, that's all for this video. Like I said at the beginning, make sure to go check out the great merch. Also, make sure to go check out the Instagram page. We are really close to 4,000 followers, which is really cool. But you guys, other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.